Once you have video in your video project, it's very easy to do editing. Now, the clip will play as you hover over it, and you may find there's a section of the video that you don't want. So in this case, I'm going to cut off the very beginning of the video, so it starts here rather than here. So the first thing you need to do is find the point where you want to start, and then you right click, and I'm going to choose to split the clip. And what that will do is actually make a different section of that first part and then begin a new section with the bit I want to keep. So all I have to do then is highlight it, hit the delete key, and it's gone. In just the same way, you could choose a section that you want to keep and remove that, or a section that you want to delete. So again, you right click and you can choose to trim to selection, which quite simply will trim away everything else and just leave that one section there. Now it has changed shape because the timing and the scaling has changed. I'm going to undo that for a second, just so I can show you some of the other options that are available there. So again, right click. So I can trim to selection, or I could choose to delete that selection that I've made. So that bit that I had selected has now disappeared. And again, just for ease, I'm going to undo that so that the whole thing's back together again. But that's very simple, and that's the way that you can edit your clips, just using right click, and you either split, delete this section, or if you've got something highlighted, you can trim to that selection there. So right click, trim to the selection, and everything else will disappear.